Welcome back to my channel, guys, with one more new video. And as you all know, 90 days spoken English challenge has already started in my YouTube channel, and of course this is the part of this challenge. This video also the part of this 90 days English spoken English challenge, and today is day 3. And previously on previous video I had said that I will teach you 5 phrasal verb and 5 vocabulary words with synonym with example, and this is the exactly that video. And in this video we will learn 5 5 phrasal verb, 5 vocabulary, synonym and with examples. Okay, those who are visiting the channel for the very first time, let me quickly introduce. My name is Shreeram. I am from Odisha, India, and recently I have completed my BTech degree, and currently I am giving tuition classes at my home. Gardening is my favorite hobby, and I have a very beautiful garden at my home. And right now I am looking for a job opportunity where I can grow professionally and use my skills. I am hardworking, eager to learn, and passionate about self improvement. That's it all about me, guys. And I would like to request you, please, if you are in first time my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So, guys, today we have 5 phrasal verb. Like one is okay, we can do like I will uh, tell you one by one, and the letter will be showing on the screen what I am exactly saying. That today I would like to start from phrasal verb. We have 5 phrasal verb today. So first phrasal verb is breakdown. Breakdowns means to stop working something. It is used especially in machinery item when some machine stop working. On that time we will use breakdown. Breakdown simple means to stop working for machine or vehicles. Example, my bike broke down on the way to school. My bike broke down on the way to school. Here I use broke. It's mean the our uh, our verb is in past tense. Yes, break second form is broke. Yes, this this is the example 1. And next is carry on. Carry on means simple to continue something. Yes, guys, to continue doing something. Like you are working, someone come on that time, you maybe stop your work. On that time he will say you carry on, no problem, carry on. And here is the example, despite the noise the teacher carry on the despite despite of the noise the teacher carried on the lesson, carried on with lesson. Okay, uh, and next is 3 number phrasal verb is look after. Look after means to take care someone's, to take care someone's. Okay, guys, example, you should look after your parents. That means you should take care your parents. Okay, guys, or another example will be parents look after their children with love. And next phrasal verb is give up. This is the very easy Phrasal verb give up means to stop trying or to quit something. To quit something. The example: never give up on your dream. Never give up your dream. Another phrasal verb is find out. So find out, the simple meaning is to discover or get information. To discover anything or get information. Find out. Here is the example: I want to find out the truth behind the story. Okay guys, we have completed five phrasal verb. You can write it down on your notebook, so it can easy for you. And next we will learn today some words with their synonym with examples. Guys, if you are like my video, then please don't forget to share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, so we have the five words for today. So we will learn five words with their synonym and example. First one is happy. Happy means you all know happy. So happy, we have synonym here, the joyful, cheer, or delighted. Okay guys, example: she felt happy after passing the exam. Yes, he felt happy after passing the exam. Yes, here you can also use he felt delighted after passing the exam. Next word is big. Yes, next word is big. Then what will be the synonym of big? Then big synonym here are large. One is large, huge, massive. You can say large, huge, massive. For example, they live in a big house near the garden. Or you can say they live in a big house near the park. Instead of saying this, you can also say, to replace the big word, they live in a massive house near the garden or near the park. The next word is smart. Next word is smart. Then synonym of smarts are clever, intelligent. Yes, clever and intelligent. Rahul is a smart student in our class. Instead of saying this, you can also say Rahul is a intelligent student in our class. Rahul is a intelligent student in our class. Move to the next word, fast. Synonym of fast are quickly, rapid, speedy. Quickly, rapid, and speedy. Okay, let's see the example. The cheetah is a very fast animal. The cheetah is a very fast animal. Instead of saying this, you can also replace the fast word to quick, rapid, or speedy. The cheetah is a speedy animal. Okay, next jump into the another word, beautiful. The synonym of beautiful are pretty, lovely, gorgeous. Example: she look very beautiful. Instead of saying this, you can also say she looks gorgeous. She look gorgeous. Okay guys, for today's that's it all. And if you have any doubt, query, then you can comment on comment box and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. If you have any suggestion, then write in comment box. I will try to do my best. And this is the our 90 days challenge video. Today is day 3, and I hope all you will support me throughout the journey. And I also encourage all of you to start practicing English every day, even just a little, because nowadays English is not just an important, it is essential. First of all, guys, never be disappointed, guys, because no one are perfect in one day. So if you are trying to learning new language, then it will take time. So you have to keep patience and keep working on improve yourself on daily basis, like learn every day some phrasal verb, word, synonym, antonym, and also some grammar rules. Improve your vocabulary. You will see that gradually you can learn lot of things. And nowadays you have smartphone, so there is no need to any extra material like study material. You don't need to any extra study material, just you need a notebook, and every everything you will get on YouTube freely. I mean every material, I mean to say that English, spoken English related, every content you can get in YouTube. So that's it, the video. I hope all you are doing your best to improve English. So we'll catch you in the next video, guys. This is Shreeram Tudu signing off. Bye.